Welcome back, guys. More work to do on the Hyper today. Back in the garage, bit of DIY, bit of installs. And yes, I have given in. I am going to end up changing this back end and this exhaust, this tail end. Chatted to a few people, saw some pictures and posts. General consensus is SC Projects is the way to go. Yeah, I'm going to try and do something a bit different, so let's see what we got. So yeah, check this box out. And I have gone for that one, which is, I think, the CR-TM2, which is the big, massive, open one. So let's get this unboxed and see what it looks like. You know what, they bloody hardly weigh anything. But yeah, I'll get them on the scales and we'll see what they're like against the stock ones. They claim a couple of kg weight difference, but obviously you've got the 2 end cans, the instructions, springs, screws, and these clips to put the original bearings back on side. So I've got the decibel meter phone just sitting there. As you can see, it's moving. So I'm just in the garage, got the bike, gonna see what the new exhaust sounds like. I've just got a distance between the exhaust and decibel meter. I'm just using standard iPhone. Just want to see what the stock sounds like to see what it goes up to. So let's just turn it on and see. Bolts to take off, and then this just comes off. Same on the other side, and again with the end can, there's a bolt in there. Undo that spring, and then it should just come off. So let's try that. So those 2 bolts came out, and this little thing was into that rubber bung. So yeah, and then undo that big bad boy. Hopefully undo that spring again at the bottom, and then take this out, and then we'll weigh it. There you go, look at that. Nice and easy. Flipping it, this thing does weigh a bit, man. It's just going to be easy, 2 kg on its own, this thing is. Right, let's get the other side off. Kit, the exhaust, the brackets, the screws and stuff. And it is coming under, just under 2 kg, 1.9. So 2 exhaust, the brackets, the screws, the packet, 1.9. Let's see what the stock one weighs. Right, I've got the original big boy tanks, bad boys, on the scales. And as you can see, look at that. Just coming over 4 kg, yeah, so those 2 are half the weight of these, so that's 2 kg saved. That's quite good. So let's get this other one on. This rubber vibration damper thing, which will go into here, which will serve the same role. So I think you just got to take these off to get to it, because you can't get to it underneath. Transfer it over, and that's it. So that's all ready. Here's the exhaust, so this sort of just goes in there like that, and sits something like that. But yeah, so this goes into there with the 2 bolts, and then obviously they fit into the original fairing and keep this exhaust in place. So I'll do that quickly. Those 2 went in fine. Used the spring that came with the new exhaust. It looks okay to start with. It's a big hole, man. Jesus Christ. Right, let's get the fairing on, and we'll move over to the other side and do that, and then we'll check the sound and start up. That was so easy and so quick. I'll tell you what, that looks so good. Look at the size of those. Oh, mate, they look bad. Just make the back end look so much better. Okay, so background noise, you can see it moving, so it's working. So let's just do a start. this out in the open, you can see how good it looks. It just looks so slim, perfect, just finishes nice, especially with the tail tidying and everything. That back end just looks quality.